shine back again. When I drove down to abyss, while I blame the world's neglect.